It was semi-blizzarding when I got home, so I just put all the bird feed, the evening feed, on my feeder. I put a little down my stairs for the little Mohican birds that don't like to come up top. I'll go out a little later and scatter a hair more, but I just decided to feed them all off my coon stairway to heaven under the shelter. They all seem to be taking turns. I'm going to leave you all just to watch this while I'm doing my job. I got 20 pounds of chicken to put it up in the individual gallon Ziploc bags and put it in my deep freeze. So enjoy the bird watching video. And there you have it. Beautiful bird feeder, bird activity. They love it. I love it. You'll love it. The animals love it. Enjoy. I'll be back in a few. By the way, I am looking for business prospects. I am entertaining business offers. I'll float any ideal someone might suggest that they have in mind. Oh, by the way, from now on, whenever I'm out in public, I started this today. I have my one short video of the raccoon silhouette, and I just decided to start showing it to strangers and told them you'll never know about this until you visit my YouTube page. About the 10 people so far I've showed it to said they will check it all out. So I think it'd be the best way for me to go viral is just a grassroots effort.